What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. In this video you'll be seeing everything that I do here in the front or whatever. I forgot to make an outro and an intro to this video, so I'm doing it now after everything is done. So you'll be seeing everything towards the end. I'll explain everything and show you guys everything that I've done. This is a longer video than what I usually post, so if you guys stay till the end, thanks for watching, and leave a thumbs up if you like the video and consider subscribing. If you guys haven't seen the video of where I installed my new steering wheel, check that out. I basically do my timing belt, my gaskets and everything to fix my oil leak, and you guys get to see where my oil leak was coming from and how I cleaned up everything and painted everything. My valve covers are now wrinkled black. I did this new. I gotta redo this, but whatever, I'll do that towards the end. Thank you guys for watching, and let's get into it. Well, I'm currently doing my whole seal kit or whatever you want to call it to my 2JZ-GE, and it's going pretty well. I just have to take this cam up to just redo the seal inside of this, and that's pretty much it right now. Here are my valve covers, which are insane. I have to clean up all these parts. Yeah, so after a while, these gaskets get pretty brittle, and as you can see, that's where my oil leak is coming from. Right there, and I'm sure, yeah, this thing is rock hard, man. Look at that. Started this video off kind of late. Like, I've already taken this whole thing apart, and I just wanted to share with you guys how it's looking so far. I've been recently like cleaning everything. I still have to clean this engine and everything, but I've been cleaning all my parts. I took them to work and I cleaned these parts pretty well, as much as I could, really get them ready to paint. I still have to clean my valve covers. I still have to clean my intake assembly, whatever. This 4-piece intake assembly, I have to clean that. I have to clean my throttle body, which, as you can see, is pretty bad. Water pump, I have brand new. All my other parts, I have brand new. I do have a brand new one over here on this side, and it's a coil rad. So I'll be installing this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put new coils on. I should, but not sure yet. I really don't. So I have to clean all this, so I'll be posting a before and after. I mean, come on, there's oil in the freaking spark plugs and all that. This is another clip that I'm just gonna add on to this video. I'm not sure where I'm leaving off or where I'm even putting this in. I'm about halfway done my process here. So new water pump tensioner here for the drive belt. I have a new tensioner in there. Well, that's a new tensioner, and then a new pulley in there for the belt. Belt looks good. New belt, obviously. I did put the new seal and the seal here for the VVti cam, so the rebuild kit, I guess. Cleaned the back of the engine, well, the front of the engine, cleaned the side of the engine. I don't know if you'll be able to notice compared to my last videos, but cleaned all that. I do want to upgrade this, but as of right now, I'm just gonna put the stock one back on because it's in pretty good conditions. I still have to clean the center. Oh, here, I'll turn this light on so you guys can see it. I still have to clean the center valley here and change the spark plugs. As you can see, they're miserable in there. So I'm pretty far in. The car's already on time. I am gonna start painting the valve covers here, as you can see. So I'm priming this one right now, and I'm gonna do a wrinkle black, and then I have to switch the radiator shroud onto the new coil rad radiator, and What else? The intake manifold, whatever, this 3-piece mess, which is honestly the worst design ever. Another thing I have to do is delete the ABS. I have to order the kit from Chase Bays, and once that is done, this will all be cleaned up and looking way better. All right, guys, here I'm doing a voiceover just because there's a lot of background noise in these few clips. So here you can see that I'm twisting the throttle body and it's not moving. It has like a delay. And then when it finally does open, it opens up to like 75%. Like it doesn't go any more than what is going right now. And this is kind of where you get the delay in the gas pedal when you hit the gas pedal in the IS300s. I'm not sure if any other car really does this, but this is where it comes from. So then here I'm taking the assembly apart. It's just 4 screws, easy to take out. And then this is a excessive throttle lock piece that I'm putting in. So it has 2 dials inside, and you could put this in wrong. So as you can see here, I put it in wrong. And if you put it in wrong, it really has no effect. And then here, I just twist it all the way to where it's locked. And basically you're just filling up the delay space. Now I put this back together, and then I just test it real quick. And when I test it, you can see that the throttle body actually opens to 100% now. All right, guys, so I just primered one of my valve covers, and I'm gonna use this Wrinkle Plus. It's like a wrinkle black paint. I'm gonna try to, this is my first time doing any wrinkle paint, so I'm gonna try to do it. All right, so I just did like 2 coats and I made sure I covered everything. And now I'm gonna use a heat gun and see how it comes out. This is my first time doing it, so I'm not expecting anything like good or anything, but we'll see. We'll see how it comes out. Because it looks pretty crazy there, but once it dries up, I'm sure the texture will pop more and it'll look way better. So I'm gonna keep using that, and I'll catch up with you guys in a second. All right, guys, so this is kind of the final result. Looks really good. It doesn't look that bad. I mean, on camera it looks a little bad, but it really doesn't look that bad. I did mess up a little bit right there. The PCV valve goes there, or if not, the bungs for a catch can. So, you know, might not really notice that at all. That might be covered anyways. Welcome back, guys. This is the who knows what day it is, how many days it's been. Got everything together pretty much. I'm just missing the bracket that goes here to hold this in. I need a oil cap because the oil cap I had broke. PCV valve is just coming in. And I do need a new radiator cap because the OEM radiator cap, well, I have a TRD one, but the TRD one doesn't work on that for some reason. It's a little bit thicker. So this should be a healthy running engine after this, and I shouldn't have any problems, hopefully. I am going to be keeping this engine for a very long time. And eventually, I'm going to pull it out, rebuild the bottom end, and just to have it hold boost. My goal with this is 500 horsepower, so yeah, we'll see how that goes. So yeah, so it's been a few weeks process buying all new parts and stuff. I do need a lot of new hoses. A lot of these hoses are so cooked. Like that's it. Like this just broke off. It's just stuck. It's like molded onto the fucking pipe. So as you can see, this one over here is cracked. Let's see if it focuses. Yep, there you go. That one's cracked. And over here as well, cracked. Today's update, I'm not really working on the car today because I'm waiting on parts, and I should see you guys in the next clip, which will probably be a few days from now, so, or maybe tomorrow. All right, part, who knows what part we're up to, but it's almost done. So I finally got the radiator in. As you can see, I got the belt, drive belt in, tensioner, bracket for everything's in. New PCV valve is in, new cap is also in, and new spark plugs. Those are all in. Oh, I am missing my radiator hoses. I ordered those. Those are coming in soon. So yeah, that's pretty much it though. Just show you guys everything that I've done, all the new parts that I've gotten. So I forgot to, this is the same time I'm recording the intro because I forgot to do both. I gotta change my brake fluid. This is disgusting, but I'll do that at work. I got my new radiator cap. The OEM Lexus one does not fit. Neither does the TRD one that I had. I don't know if it's, I don't know why, but I searched it up. People said to use a Nissan one. I went with a Nissan Coil Rad cap, and it fit, so it fit perfectly. I changed these couplers to black because, you know, I wanted an all like black theme, I guess. Well, black and silver. New radiator hoses came in. I don't know how I feel about these. If you can see it right there, it like curves in. It's like it's almost too skinny, but I don't know. I might change those later on. I'm still using my brush here as a hood prop because I don't have a hood prop, so I have to get those in soon, and then I'll make a video on that. The hose back here, I couldn't find the OEM hose that I needed for back here, and the one that I had, basically when I curved it, it kinked right here in the center. So what I did was I got a 90-degree fitting here and just cut that tube here and on the bottom and fit it together, and it works perfectly fine. It's just a vacuum thing there, so nothing passes through it, so it's not like pressured or anything. I also installed my new TRD Altezza grill. The color doesn't really match too well, so I'm gonna have to get that redone. If you guys made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I know I said it in the beginning, but really, this is one of the longer videos that I've posted with this car and this build or whatever. I wasn't really able to document everything because I could really only work on this car like about 2 to 3 hours a day when I got home from work. And then on my days off, I did other shit. So whatever. If you guys made it to the video, thanks for watching. Sorry that I couldn't document everything. And it wasn't really a how-to, but more of like what I've done. Leave a thumbs up if you liked the video. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm about to eat some lunch. Peace.